Have you ever been lost before? Like taking the wrong bus, the wrong train, or the wrong plane? Alright, yes guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and guys, I'm tired. To be honest, I'm tired and I wouldn't talk much. I'll just simply show you the video that I recorded because today I was lost. I took the wrong bus. Yeah, that's literally it, so let's get into it. Alright, so yes guys, it's your boy Roman, and oh my god, I am in a predicament because I took the wrong bus. I had to go to work and I was running a little bit late, so I was like, is there another line I could take, another bus line? So I looked on Google Maps. It said, oh, you could take line C and then you just need to walk 5 minutes. So I took line C and I realized that it was going the opposite direction. So I'm like, okay, I've never taken this line before, so maybe it will go around and miraculously come around to where I'm going. But then I just said, hey, let's check on Google Maps. I realized that I'm getting farther and farther and farther away from my location. So I'm like, still trying to be hopeful or trying to have hope that this bus will go around. Right now, I don't know where I am.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
I don't know how to get home.
It's in the middle of nowhere.
So first of all, I was like, okay, let's stay in the bus and hope that I'll go to the terminus and then the bus will just go back to my city. So the driver's like, hey, this is the last time. I'm like, yo, aren't you going back? He's like, no, finish for the day. I'm going to change my line. So I'm like, what the hell? So I'm like, how do I get home? Oh no, wait, that's the bus. Oh my god, that's the bus. Oh my god, that's the bus. So the bus I just took, the guy came back and he's like, oh, you're in the wrong place. So I'm like, what the hell? So he says I have to go way down. I don't know way down where. So I have two options. I figure out where this bus stop is, or I walk home, which is like maybe like 2 hours walking. Oh my god, like, there's the bus stop. Wow, you know? So here I am, and I would love to show you guys what this city, what this region, this area has to offer, but I can't because I don't want to move here and miss the other bus. And I'm looking at my phone and it says that there will be a bus that will pass me within the next 17 minutes. Yeah, I have both my phones with me and both of them are pretty much on the brink of dying because I'm like, hey, I'm just going to be going to work, so I don't need to charge my phone. I'll be home pretty soon. But then, hey, look what just happened. So that's the listen, guys. Charge your phone always. Alright, just saw this super weird dude from the other side of the road. I think he was jogging. I think he was like running, jogging. Then he just stopped and was looking my direction. I'm like, and I think you're a freak. What's gonna happen? Oh, the bus is here, yay! Anyways, yay! Yay! Okay, I don't understand. The bus just passed me. Like, the bus just passed me. Like, why did it just pass me? I'm so confused. The bus came this way and I'm like, normally you don't need to stop the bus. It's like back in Jamaica, you're like, hey, you stop the bus. But here in France, buses, they stop automatically. So here it is. I saw the bus. I'm like, yeah, I stopped filming and I was here. Maybe it's because I'm black, the guy didn't see me because it's dark, so it's understandable. But then I saw it like go down there, so I'm like, am I at the wrong bus stop? But then I saw that he made like a U-turn there, so I'm like, oh, what's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna panic. Like, seriously. What the hell is happening? Alright, so guys, basically you've seen the videos, you've seen everything, and that was literally my journey. I kept it as authentic as possible, I kept it as real as possible. That was really nothing spectacular happened, and that was just my journey of taking the wrong bus. So guys, for ending this video, if you enjoyed what you see so far or what I've been producing on my channel so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop a comment because trust me, it's really good to interact with you guys as my audience and as my subscribers. And finally, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so by clicking the subscription button or beyond activating that notification bell so you might be notified whenever I make an upload. Alright, so with that said guys, I will end this video by giving you some tips or some advice when it comes to, I would say be lost, but in general, just going out. So my first advice is this: always ensure that your phone is charged or your phones are charged. Just ensure that you have some means or medium of contact or GPS. The second thing is to always ensure that you have money on you. Not just money on a card or money theoretically in your bank account, but ensure that you have some sort of physical cash on you, not just paper but even coins. And The third thing, which is simply the most important, is simply stay calm and never look at being lost as, oh my god, I'm lost. No, look at it as an adventure. I, for one, I was being very dramatic. That's because I'm a dramatic person, but I was never out of my mind where I'm worrying too much or wondering what it is I will be doing. Alright guys, so with that said guys, thank you so much, and those are my tips for going out, or if you're lost, I don't know, just your tips, my tips to be safe. Alright.